Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back. To my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, today we are making beautiful crocheted flower. These flowers are simple and easy for painting. You can use them for bags, dresses, hair clips, or even home decoration. First make a magic ring. Then crochet small petal with double crochet stitches. Dip it off our petal, add a button in the center of extra beauty. Try using different color of each flower. Crochet flower are quick to make and look very cute. You can join many flowers together here. Make to wooden table mats or wall hanging. Keep and enjoy the crochet time. Friends, let's begin with base flower. Start with a small magic ring. Make a 6 single crochet stitches inside the ring and join with a slip stitch. Now for each petal, chain 3 or make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Layer flowers, rose flowers, sunflowers, tiny daisy, combination different type of flowers ideas आपको crochet में इस slides में दिखाए जा रहे हैं. Where you can also try the sunflower. Make a circle with brown yarn or for the center. Then change to yellow yarn and make big point petals all around this flower. Look very bright and beautiful for a tiny daisy. Just make a small yellow circle in the middle, then crochet white petal around it. Daisy are simple but look very fresh and pretty. The best part of crochet flower is the color play. You can mix bright shades or soft petals. Color use beads or button in the center to make them more stylish. If you join many flowers together, you can create table runner, pillow covers, wall hanging, or even handbags. Crochet flowers are not just decoration, they also make wonderful handmade gifts. You can put them on greeting cards, bookmark, or gift box to make your present extra special. So friends, pick your favorite flower design and try to play with practical. Your hands will get faster and soon you will be able to create a garden full of crochet flower. Happy crocheting. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel.